Hey, I am going to show you how to use Chat GPT on Android and iPhone. For that, currently there is no app available for Chat GPT, but you can use Google Chrome or Safari. We use Google Chrome. For that, first of all, open Google Chrome. Search OpenAI. Then click on first link. Scroll down. Click on Try GPT. Click on Sign Up. Enter your email. After entering your email, simply click on Continue. Enter your password. Then click on Continue. Open your email and verify it. Then reload. Enter your name. Then click on Continue. Enter your phone number. Click on Send code via SMS. Enter the code you receive on phone number. Now you successfully create an account on ChatGPT. Simply click on this bar below. Enter your search. Click on arrow icon. That's how you can use ChatGPT on iPhone and Android. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.